Nice. Whoa! Nice, not bad. Nailed it. Whoa!
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am here at a somewhat dilapidated BMX track. Got the ARRMAs out, so let's go for an ARRMA bash. Let's go.
Wow, look at the landing.
Oh, I landed right on the truck? Yeah. Hopefully I didn't break it. That was from like 20 feet in the air. Holy crap.
Did you break anything?
I don't think so.
Wow, that was massive.
Oh yeah, can't help myself. I went full send. Went full send right from the start. Too much HP sauce. Yep. Not really a big fan of the Outcast just because it's so wheelie. Like if you want to get a nice smooth approach to a jump or something, you got to be so easy on the throttle that it almost makes it not fun.
Yeah, there's got to be a way to like tame down the...
Yeah, I'm going to put smaller tires on it. I wonder, for a minor change, I'm going to put these ones on there and those ones on here because these ones are slightly smaller. Oh, they got a bowl in here. Yeah. This thing's just too fast on 6S.
Hey. Whoa.
Oh,
there's actually a jump you can land here.
I got way further air than I was expecting.
Yeah, far enough to like hit me.
Yeah. You want to try the Kraton?
Sure. Keep that thing with the front end down. Whoa! Your wheels down.
Oh, you came wrong to the other side. Oh, that was a beauty shot.
We can keep going this way. Whoa! The one you just did or that one right there? Nice. Whoa! Nice, not bad.
Whoa!
Nice. I don't even know if I think I went right off this camera with that one. Wow! Yep. Perfect. It caught it.
Yeah.
Well, this thing dangles a little bit, eh?
Yeah, it's all sloppy.
I don't know which jump I like the best. That big one is pretty
That
big.
big one's pretty cool. I'd love to get some cool shots off that big one.
Wow! Oh, you wheeled it, but it bounced. Oh. Nice, nailed it.
Awesome.
Nice. Whoa! On your wheels. Oh! Oh,
That's
almost.
like a hard hit.
Nice.
Ripped the power leads out. It was so violent.
I wonder if one of these smaller jumps. I don't know, this one's pretty good. You just have to hit it nice and easy. Like, look out the time somebody spent putting those stones
I
there.
know, yeah. Oh, I broke something.
Steering?
Let go. Perfect.
Man, this thing is tough too.
Wow. Yeah, that's awesome.
Did it land?
You're landing on wheels in a bounce, but
Nailed it.
oh,
Whoa.
hard wing.
Hard rear end hit. You know what though?
No, what the what?
Man,
Takes it?
still going.
Yeah, no, it takes it.
Those are some hard fun hits.
Yeah, let me try a couple of Supermans.
This thing jumps way better than that
I know.
Outcast. Those are some big daddies though. This is awesome.
Oh. Rear drive shaft came out of that one. I'm gonna have to. Oh, look at the shock towers all bent. Oh yeah, that like bent, tweaked the whole chassis.
Oh.
Look at the drive shaft. Oh, the chassis.
no, I think the chassis is fine. I think
the drive
it's-
shaft.
The drive
Oh, you're
shaft
still
took it
recording?
all.
Yeah, so go forward a bit, and you'll be able to see it. It's hitting the little.
I don't think it'll turn, right?
Oh, look at the look at it.
Yeah.
Wow. Bent the rear drive shaft out of the Kraton 6S, and the Outcast 4S, something slipping, it's not grabbing the diffs. So on the Outcast 4S, it's mostly just going to the front. So whatever's happened to the diff, it's not sending any power to the rear. So I'm gonna have to open it up to investigate what happened there, but hopefully it's minor. I don't see anything else bent because that one's plastic. It can flex. The Kraton will just bend and stay bent. That's a really big bend. They'll probably buy a new drive shaft instead of trying to hammer that one straight.
That's a big bend, and so's this.
Oh yeah, the rear shock tower. Pretty epic here at the skate park. Probably did not do it justice. We were up like 40, 30 feet in the air, felt like. Anyway, pretty cool. All right, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Nice. Whoa! Nice. Nailed it. Whoa.